Welcome back. Charlene Patton is with us this morning, and she has an amazing recipe for a rainbow salad with edamame and sesame dressing. Welcome, Charlene. Thanks for being with us this morning. So can you talk to me a little bit about this already delicious looking salad?
Oh my gosh, you know, this would be a great Mother's Day weekend salad to have.
Perfect for spring into summer.
But the Kansas Soybean Commission is featuring salads this whole month.
Oh,
so every Tuesday we'll be featuring a new salad.
So exciting.
If they have not ordered the Soy Foods Guide, this recipe is on page 19. And if they've already ordered it and gotten it, then they already have the recipe. That's right. But it's not too late. They can call us and we'll get it. You are going to make the dressing. This is tahini that we have in here. You are going to mix that. I'm just going to add it for you. But this is sesame seed oil. It has this is just a wonderful kind of oriental dressing that goes on it. This is rice vinegar. And then we have soy sauce that we've combined with a little honey there and a little maple syrup and a little bit of fresh grated ginger. So that gives it a wonderful taste.
It's very fragrant and bright. It smells so good over here.
In here I have shredded, they call it red cabbage, but it really is purple, isn't it? Yes. And then we have green, the regular cabbage over here. And if you don't want to grate that or chop that up, I just used a store-bought mixture.
Like a coleslaw mix.
Exactly.
Absolutely.
And it has a little bit of carrot in it, but we're going to add more carrots anyway, so it's perfect. So we'll add that, and then we have our other soybean ingredient, which is edamame that I've cooked. And that's so easy to do anymore because it comes in the frozen food section, and you can just put it in your microwave.
How about that?
And then a little bit of cilantro. So you can see why it's a rainbow salad, because look at all those
colors,
all those beautiful colors. And then with the dressing, I want to this is water here. And you look at it and see, now do you think it needs to be a little thinner? They said to add water if you wanted to thin it a little bit.
Sometimes the tahini rather can be,
that's right, that's right. So you can add a little bit of water if you want. And then, and it says to do it, a tablespoon at a time. You did great. You added just a little bit.
You told me to.
No, you did great. Now you can pour that over on this, and we'll blend it. And then I have toasted in my oven a little bit of the sliced almonds here. And we'll stir this, and then that gives it a crunch. But how wonderful is this for a Mother's Day?
The dressing is nice and glossy on there, not too
Add a little
much,
bit of that,
perfect.
and I'll hold that up. But oh my gosh, this will be great, and to have it, and they can go to our website at kansassoybeans.org. That's right.
Absolutely.
And they can call our 800 number, 877-KS-SOYBEAN, and we'll mail them the recipe, and they might even get it before the weekend.
Wouldn't that be great? Well, be sure to do so and stick around. We'll be back with more news. Thanks so much, Charlene.
Thank you.